Most content calendars are made with good intentions and abandoned within 2 weeks. Not because the creator lacks discipline. Because the calendar was built as a document rather than a system. A document requires ongoing effort to maintain. Every week you open it, stare at the empty slots, try to generate ideas on demand, and fill them with whatever feels least terrible in the moment. The calendar becomes a record of your content output rather than a plan that drives it. And when life gets busy, when the day job expands, when a week goes sideways, when creative energy runs dry, the calendar gets updated last. Then not at all. A system runs with minimal effort once it is set up. It generates content ideas automatically rather than requiring you to generate them under pressure. It makes the weekly content planning session predictable rather than effortful. And it keeps improving over time as you learn what your audience responds to most. AI turns a content calendar from a document into a system. And once the system is running, Monday mornings stop being dreaded and start being simply the day you confirm what is already planned. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why content calendars fail? The root cause of almost every failed content calendar is the same. Ideas are generated just in time rather than in advance. When you sit down on Monday to plan the week's content and you have no ideas already prepared, every piece of content requires a creative decision under time pressure. Time pressure degrades creative output. And because the ideas are being generated for immediate use rather than being drawn from a prepared bank, there is no buffer. One bad week of idea generation produces one bad week of content. The content calendar system I am describing solves this at the source. Ideas are never generated on the day they are needed. They are generated in batches, well in advance, and stored in a library that makes weekly planning a selection process rather than a creative process. The cognitive demand of creative generation and the cognitive demand of editorial selection are completely different. Generation under pressure produces mediocre ideas. Selection from an abundant library produces good content every week. Layer 1. The monthly idea. Generation session, once per month. 90 minutes with Claude to generate content ideas for the following 30 days. Give Claude your content pillars, the 3 to 5 topic areas your account consistently addresses. Give it your audience, who they are, what they care about, what questions they ask. And give it your last month's best performing content, the pieces that generated the most engagement or reach. Ask Claude to generate 50 content ideas. Not 49. Not 51. 50. Enough that the generation session produces far more than you will use, which means you are selecting the best rather than accepting whatever was produced. Review the 50 ideas. Mark the 20 strongest. Archive the rest. They may become relevant later. 20 content ideas in the bank. Enough for a month of daily posting or multiple months of less frequent publishing. The bank is always full before it needs to be drawn from. Layer 2. The weekly planning session, every Monday morning. 15 minutes to plan the week's content from the idea bank. Open the idea bank. Select 5 to 7 ideas that feel most relevant to the current moment, based on anything happening in your niche this week, any seasonal relevance, or simply the ideas that feel most energizing right now. Arrange them in the week. Assign each idea to a day and a format. Ask Claude to write a 1-sentence brief for each piece, the specific angle this idea will take, the intended audience emotion, and the call to action. 15 minutes, 5 to 7 pieces planned. The creative decisions made in advance, so the production sessions require execution rather than decision-making. Layer 3. The daily production sessions, each day. One focused production session using Claude to produce the day's content from the brief. Give Claude the brief, the format, your voice description, and any specific examples or data you want included. Claude produces the first draft, You review, personalize, and approve. The production session takes 30 minutes for most content types. The brief exists because the planning session happened Monday. The planning session was fast because the idea bank was full. The idea bank was full because the monthly generation session produced 50 ideas. Each layer enables the next, and the entire system runs forward without a blank page moment at any point. Layer 4. The monthly performance review. The system improves over time through a monthly performance review that takes 30 minutes. Give Claude the performance data from the previous month. Which content pieces generated the most engagement, the most reach, the most comments, the most direct responses. Ask Claude to identify 3 patterns in the data. Which topic pillars performed above average? Which formats consistently outperformed others? And which specific content characteristics, opening lines, topic angles, call to action types, appeared most frequently in the best performing pieces? Ask Claude to use these 3 patterns to adjust the next monthly idea generation session. More ideas in the high-performing pillars. More ideas in the high-performing formats. More ideas that share the characteristics of the top performers. The system gets smarter every month. The content calendar that was already sustainable in month 1 is noticeably better by month 6, because 6 months of performance data have been fed back into the idea generation process. The shift this system produces. The shift is not just operational. It is psychological. When you know that Monday morning means opening a full idea bank and selecting from abundance, rather than staring at a blank calendar and generating ideas under pressure, the entire relationship with content creation changes. Content planning stops feeling like a tax on your creative energy. It starts feeling like a brief editorial session where you get to choose the best of what is already available. The dread disappears. The consistency arrives. And the content that results from a system built on abundance consistently outperforms the content produced in scarcity. What is the biggest obstacle to your content consistency right now? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a system for finally turning your content calendar from a document into something that actually runs, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.